Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use Pipefy. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started. First, let's create an account from here, or you can just log in your account from here. Now I'm just going to use Google. And this is how your Pipefy will look like. So basically here, by pressing on new pipe, you can start creating your first pipe. So let's press on it. And here you can see the templates of the different categories. So let's, for example, say that we want to create a pipe about marketing. So let's choose marketing from here. And now let's choose one of these templates. So let's say I want to gain more subscribers to my YouTube channel. So I will search for something like this. Let's see. I think this one is good, so let's choose it. And now let's press on Use Template. Now it's customizing and building our template. And here we are. So basically you have here these top panels or these top tabs that we will explore in our tutorial today. So first of all, here is your tasks, the different tasks. So these are like stages of your tasks. This is the first stage, which is problem identification, and as you go to the right, the progress of these stages increases. So basically customer base is a progress from problem identification and so on and so forth until you reach the done here. So the task is done. Tasks here are called cards. So if you want to create a new task or a new card, you can press on here and you can fill this information like the company name, contact's email, company's industry, and company's product. Once you are done, you will create a task here. So let's, for example, build one of them. I will try now to create it without completing the rest to see if they are mandatory or not, and they are not mandatory. So the card has been successfully created, and you will see that it has been created in the first stage. So you can drag and drop it as it moves towards progress, so until it moves to the end stage, which is the done. And now let's move on to the next tab, which is flow. This identifies how your workflow works in Pipefy. So basically, first of all, the user will start creating this form, which we will make later in this tutorial, and afterwards he will be transmitted to the pipe phases, and these phases are the same as that we saw in the first tab here until it's done. So by going back to this tab, you can see that we can make this view as Kanban view or list view like this. So this is how the flow or your workflow will work in Pipefy. Next is the reports. Here it shows all the reports that you make, and I will not make a report in this tutorial. However, we will make a form. So next tab is the form here. You can create a form by pressing on edit here. And now you will see many tabs here and left navigation panel here. So basically this is our form that we will edit on. So let's say I want to create subscription form or new subscribers form. So I will need the name. I will also need some other cells. So I will not need this. I will just delete it. I will need the contact name, contact's email. I will not need the following two, so I will delete them. And I may add some other cells, like for example, I may add here a checkbox. Do you want to subscribe to our do you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel? And then I will choose yes. And no, it's checklist, so I will just leave this too, and I will make this field required and save. So here you have also multiple options. You can add short or long text, you can add attachment, you can add date or labels, email, radio select. So you have so many options here to customize your own form. And then once you are done, you can go to public view. Here you can control how your form will look like. So here, for example, you can add your logo by clicking on this. Now let's choose something from our PC. 1 second. Here, I will save it. You can also adjust other settings, like making your form public or not. So I will choose it to be public here. 1 second. Takes time to apply change. Here it is. So you can copy the link from here and you can share it with any party you want. You can also adjust your background. For example, you can adjust your brand color like this. So you will see that the button is changing. So let's choose this color, for example. You can also allow tracking here. I will just disable this. And you can also customize a submitted message like thank you or something like this. And once you are done, you can save. So you can also move to other phases. I will just move here to the next phase. Here you can identify in which phase this form belongs. So you have all the phases here. Next tab is the members, which contains invite button so that you can invite other members to use this form. And here you can customize an email template that can be sent to any recipients you want. And here you can set automations, which are sequence of steps that are implied or activated automatically once a trigger is activated. So if I chose to create automation from here, you can set some trigger here, like for example, a card enters a phase or a card is created, and once this action is triggered, something will happen like sending an email template, and then you can adjust this email template. You can click on this and start creating your own template. So once you are done, you can, and here you can also adjust your pipe settings, like the card title. You can also adjust whether it's public or private. You can adjust the default view and so on and so forth. So once you are done adjusting your own card, you can go and click on this X button. Then you can also navigate to the other tabs like the emails, for example, where you can send an email. It's pretty like the ordinary email providers like Gmail and Yahoo and Outlook. Here also you can create your own dashboard, and once you create a dashboard here and name it from here, you can use any charts you want. We have multiple set of charts that you can use. Here you can also make any automation like the one that we did before in this tutorial, and here you can integrate with other apps. So this is basically how Pipefy works and how you can easily use it to create your own pipes. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.